Tom, wait, stop for a second.
What is it now?
Look at that store over there.
Which one? There's so many.
The one with the loud music.
Oh, that one.
Yes, that one, exactly.
Why are we stopping?
Just look at the window.
Okay, I'm looking.
Do you see the sign?
Big summer sale.
And?
Every store has a sale.
Not every store has that sale.
What do you mean?
Look closer. It says 50% off.
Okay, that's interesting.
Now look at the mannequin.
The plastic man?
Yes, the mannequin.
He looks very confident.
Ignore him. Look at his jacket.
All right, it's blue.
Not just blue, navy blue.
It looks fine.
It looks professional.
I don't need a new jacket.
Yes, you do.
I already have one at home.
Your jacket is old.
It's not that old.
It has a hole in it.
It's a very small hole.
A hole is still a hole.
Nobody notices it.
I notice it.
You notice everything.
Because I care.
I care too, just not about jackets.
Tom, listen to me.
Okay, I'm listening.
You have a job interview next week.
I know.
First impressions are important.
I know that too.
You can't wear a jacket with a hole in it.
Maybe they won't look at my jacket.
They will.
Maybe they'll look at my face.
They'll look at everything.
That sounds stressful.
That's why you need a good jacket. Look again at the price.
Okay. Oh, it really is 50% off.
See?
That is a good deal.
A very good deal.
But going inside means shopping.
Yes, for 5 minutes.
You always say 5 minutes.
This time I mean it.
Do you promise?
I promise.
Really?
Yes, unless we find something amazing.
I knew it. This is a trap.
A helpful trap.
My wallet doesn't think so.
Come on, feel the air.
What air?
The cold air from inside the store.
It does sound nice.
It's very hot out here.
Yes, I'm sweating.
Inside, it's cool and comfortable.
And probably crowded.
Maybe, but we'll be quick.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Okay, let's go inside.
Good decision.
If I buy something, this is your fault.
I accept full responsibility.
Wow, there are so many clothes here.
I know, this store is huge.
I don't even know where to look.
Relax, we're looking for jackets. Follow me.
Okay, but everything looks the same.
No, look carefully. These are sweaters. Those over there are jackets.
Oh, I see. I was already confused.
Here we are. This is the jacket section.
There are so many colors.
Yes, but you need something simple for work.
What about this one?
No, that one is too bright.
Okay, how about this blue one?
Yes, that's the one I saw outside.
I like the color. It's a nice navy blue.
Exactly, navy blue looks professional.
It feels nice too.
Check the tag. What size does it say?
Let me see. What size do I usually wear again?
Usually you wear a large.
Right, large.
But this is an American brand.
So?
American sizes are usually bigger.
Oh, so a large might be too big?
Yes, that's why you should try a medium too.
So maybe I should try a medium.
Exactly, let's take both sizes.
All right, one medium, one large.
Now we just need to find them.
This rack is a mess.
It really is, everything is mixed together.
I don't see any order.
Check the hangers, they usually show the size.
Okay, this one says S.
That means small.
Definitely not my size.
Keep looking.
Here's an M.
That's medium. Good, take that.
Wait, this one feels really tight.
It might be a slim fit.
Slim fit again? I don't like that word.
Don't worry, just take it.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Now we need a large.
All right. Oh, wow, here's an XL.
XL is extra large.
Yeah, that's way too big for me.
Unless you want to swim inside it.
Very funny.
Check behind it. Sometimes good sizes are hidden.
Why are the good sizes always in the back?
Because everyone wants them.
Makes sense. Oh, I found a large.
Great, hold that one too.
Now I'm holding 2 jackets.
Yes, one medium, one large.
Why do I really need two?
So you can compare the fit.
I already know the large will fit.
You think it will fit.
I hate trying clothes on.
Everyone hates it.
Can I just guess and buy one?
No, if it doesn't fit, we have to return it.
Returning clothes is annoying.
Exactly. It's worse than trying them on.
You're right, again.
I know.
Okay. Wow, this medium really looks small.
It's probably slim fit.
What exactly does slim fit mean?
It means tight around the body.
Especially around the stomach?
Wes, especially there.
Oh no, I like pizza too much for that.
Just try it. Sometimes it looks better on.
Sometimes, not always.
Trust me.
All right, I'll try both.
Good decision.
Where's the fitting room?
Look around. There should be a sign.
Oh, I see it.
Where?
Over there, fitting rooms.
Perfect. Let's go.
I hope this doesn't take long.
It will be quick. Maybe.
That doesn't sound promising.
Come on, you're doing great.
Hi there. Did the jacket work out for you?
Yes, it did. The large fits perfectly.
That's great to hear. I'll take the hanger from you.
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. I'll just ring this up for you.
Okay.
Before I do that, do you have a rewards membership with us?
No, I don't have one.
That's okay. Would you like to sign up today?
No, thank you. I already get too many emails.
I understand completely. All right, let's continue. So, this jacket is part of our summer sale.
Yes, I saw the sign.
It's 50% off.
Perfect. That's a great deal.
Yes, it really is.
Okay, your total comes to $54.12, including tax.
All right.
Here's my credit card.
Thank you. Please insert your card when the light turns blue.
Okay. All right, I see the blue light. I've inserted it.
Great. Please wait a moment.
Okay. Oh, it says approved.
Perfect. Your payment went through.
Good.
Would you like your receipt in the bag, or would you like it emailed?
In the bag, please.
No problem. I'll put it right here. Just to let you know, sale items are returnable for 30 days.
Okay, 30 days.
But you must keep the tags on.
So if I cut the tags, I can't return it.
That's correct.
Got it. I'll keep the tags on.
Great. Here's your jacket, and here's your bag.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
All right, we're done.
That was fast.
Yes, and successful.
You look very professional now.
Thank you. Let's go. I'm really hungry now.
I knew you would be.
Shopping makes me hungry.
Next stop, food.